guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I am here just to give you a quick flip through of my planner. I'm not going to spend too much time going through absolutely everything, but there have been a number of changes that I really wanted to bring to you, so I thought I'd do a flip. I'll probably be silent throughout, and then as well I've also received some happy mail finally, so I'm going to be sharing with you some goodies I got from the planner spot. I'll be showing you a few of my cloth and paper purchases and a few other new additions from some new shops that I haven't bought from before. So keep on watching. If this is something you're into, please feel free to comment, like and subscribe, and I will yeah, get going. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off with the flip. I hope you enjoy. You've enjoyed the silent flip through of my agenda. So yeah, as mentioned, there's just a few things that I really wanted to show you, so I'm gonna put this to the side. In fact, before I do that, let's just show you a couple of things that are in the planner that were completely new shops to me, because I think that they definitely deserve a shout out. One in particular is Lux Plans. Design of these dashboards, they are absolutely so on trend, so just perfect for this current climate that we're in. And yeah, if you've been on Instagram over the last couple of days and you're in the planner community, then you would definitely have seen some drama, and this is like completely perfect, minding the business that pays me. I mean, come on. So I love this. And then I also really love, I think there's like 5 in total. Love, love, love this, the Unbothered. And then towards the back, I also, this one here, and it's on a glossy photo paper, so that's why it's come with this sheen. So this is really, really cool. Minding my business, drinking my water, keeping my skin clear. Lux Plans. So definitely check her out. Her shop's on Etsy. I'll bring this closer so you can see. But yeah, this is like super cool. Love, love, love this. Okay, another few things that I want to show you are some goodies that arrived in the post, and rather than do lots of separate videos, I thought let's just kind of group this all into one so that you get a bit of everything. So I'm going to move the planner to the side, and I'm going to show you first off. Now I've been waiting, well, I was waiting for my order from the Planner Spot for quite some time. I mean, I placed the order maybe middle of March, towards the end of March, and it arrived this week. So I mean, you can already see just how long that took. Also as well, I know that she's no longer shipping to the UK, or she suspended shipping to, I think, even Europe. I'm not sure. There's a number of countries that have been affected, and unfortunately, you know, the UK fall into that bracket. So I managed to obviously get these just before the suspension came, which is good, but then it's also bittersweet because, you know, there's obviously newbies coming through in her shop that we just don't have access to, but that's fine, all in good time. I have some supplies, so I should be grateful that I've got these, and they didn't get lost in the mail. So maybe if you are still waiting for your order from the Planner Spot, yeah, just try and forget about the order. That's what I did. I tried to forget about it, and then I got an update that it was with customs. Another point, yes, I got stung with customs. So not only did I have the lengthy wait, I then also had the fee on top for rating. But what can we do? Anyways, I'm going to jump to it and I'll show you exactly what I got. Okay, so first off, I got the self-care sticker sheet, and these are the blush pink, and I really, really like these. So it's like a spa one, makeup, nails, bath, and maybe getting your hair done or haircut, things like that. I then got the finance icon sheet in the blush pink as well. And I think some of these have changed since, because when I last went to look, I don't think I could buy either this or this. I'm not sure which one, but yeah. So there's this. Love you know, cheeky glass or two, so I got the drinks icons in the blush pink also, and then as well the credit card ones. I purchased the March sheet. I got the April sheet. This is a September sheet, and I think this is obviously September of last year's, so that's there. And I don't think you can buy them like that anymore. April's, and I believe that's it. They are the goodies that I got. So yeah, quite a few, and definitely enough to keep me going for some time, and I still have my others. But yeah, that is the Planner Spot. Then in addition, I got some bits from Cloth and Paper, some of which you would have seen in the flip through, so I'll refer back to it in a second. I got the May freebie, which is here. It's like some a pink washi. And I also got the rose page flags, and I really like these. I hadn't had them before, so I'll just show you so you can see the colour. That's how they look, so I really like these. I then also from Cloth and Paper picked up these cards, so I got both styles. This I think is a volume 1, which looks like this. And I'll open it up and show you one. They're plain at the back, they're not double-sided. So, for example, the memo one, and it's plain. And it's really good cardstock, it's like good quality. And you do get quite a few, like as you can see there, there's quite a few in there of each. 3 different designs. So I really like those. And then these are the other ones, and again similar to these, they are cardstock and plain at the back. And I had set them up in my planner at the front here. Just love how these look, they're really cool. Love the colours. The other thing that I got, as I mentioned I was planning on getting, is the glass dividers with the gold foil, and they are in the planner. I really do like these. Obviously they're brand new, so they're super shiny, and I just think they tie in very nicely. I still do really like the white ones that I have, so I will be swapping in and out and changing it up as and when I want to, but for now obviously I've got these, and I love how they look. On hindsight, could I have done without them? Yes, I probably could have, but I'm extra like that, so there's that. And I believe that is my complete order from Cloth and Paper, so that's that. Then I also came across another shop on Instagram, and this one is Lines and Paper, and this is a shop that has an Etsy presence, and the lady's located in Germany, I believe. So this side of the pond, which is good, no customs fees or anything like that, and it came super quick. I have to say as well, the Cloth and Paper orders are just flying in. They're coming so quickly, so I don't know how they're managing to do that, and other companies are kind of aren't, but yeah, kudos to them. It's like great. But anyways, I just got a couple of sticker sheets, as you can see in front of you, in front of me. This is literally the order, so I'll show you. This was a freebie. Okay, so it's like some blush transparent tape, and then there's this. These are some dots in different sizes, and that's kind of what I really like, the fact that they offered the 2 sizes. Is that? Then I also had this in the same colour sand with these squares, and I have started to use them. As you can see, that's why some of them are obviously missing. Then I thought this colour was quite unique, Mahogany Fire, so I really like that. And you get 2 in each set, so that's why I have these extra ones here. But yeah, really like those, like the quality, love the colours, and love the fact that this shop is located closer to home, so there's that. And then the last order that came through, if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen I always do like a kind of stories with some music and whatever, so you would have seen my unboxing of the next thing. And again, some of the stuff is already in the planner, but I checked out Infinite Lotus for the first time, or Infinite, yeah, Lotus. These are what I bought, so some self-care stickers. They come as, you get 2 in the packet, and this is how they are. They are really small, but I mean, they're cute. I like them. It works with the theme. I picked up some note insert paper because I just wanted to check the quality of their paper to see how it holds up. I have, as you saw in my flip, got some other inserts, but those were printables. So the dailies were printables, and also the finance sheets were also printables, which came out really well. But I also got those. And then the only other thing that I got that I'm going to try and show you is a Today tab, which is here. And what I will do is I'll just take it out because it's a lot easier doing it that way. But it's like a Today bookmark. And if I'm honest with you guys, this was a little bit of a disappointment, only because it is so small. No fault of theirs, that's probably my fault for not reading the sizing details, but I just assumed it was going to be the same size as the other one I have, the Today one. I'll try and show you so you can see the difference. I had assumed it was going to be this size, but it's not. It's pretty much, well, I would almost say it's half the size, so there's that. But it still works. I'm still obviously using it, so there's that. But I would say definitely check out sizing so that you don't find yourself in the same situation. Also, it's very, very, very flexible. It's like really thin, which isn't a terrible thing, but again, as a kind of bookmark place holder, I would kind of want it to just be a little bit bigger. But anyways, I love the design, love how quickly it came. I love the freebies that came with it. So I got this card, which I've laminated, just a thank you card. I love this. And then also you will have seen this. Again, I laminated it and punched it so that I could keep this in good condition and move it around in my planner as and when I decide I want to. So that is that. So guys, that's it from me. That is pretty much a complete flip of my planner without going through too many details. A lot of the artwork I found on the internet. I am going to try and share with you on a frequent basis, maybe once a week on my Insta story, something that you can print and use if you feel to. If you own a printer, then you'll be in your element, similar to how I have been. But yeah, I would say DIY as much as you can, especially during this time when we have a little bit more time on our hands, depending on your circumstances. But yeah, if you can create your own, it will definitely save you a few coins. But I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I did post, I don't know if you were one of the few that started to watch the last video, I did post an updated flip, but then took it down or made it private because I still had so many things I hadn't shared with you, and for what is the point in posting an old video when I've still got all of these things I wanted to kind of do an update with you. So there's that. But I don't think there's anything else in my planner I need to really discuss with you. Most of the other stuff you will find on previous videos. That's why I didn't want to talk through it. But if you have questions, then you guys feel free. You already know, leave a comment below and I will definitely get back to you. I hope you're all staying safe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.